This is about some new features in Stonky 0.7 alpha. In another video, I will show additional charts that have been added, but in this video I'm going to talk about firstly fees, but mostly rate of return. So previously we've just shown fees that have been paid so far. Here we now have fees that are predicted in the future based on the current amount that we have invested. Of course, as with all future payments, this is subject to change if Zonky changes their fee structure, or if our predictions for how many loans are repaid are actually incorrect. People could stop paying back, for example, or could pay back early. So this is just a prediction. This perhaps is more interesting, which is the rate of return. Now you can see a rate of return on the Zonky account page that you have, but the figure here will be different probably. And the reason for that is that in addition to including money that you currently have invested in loans, this figure includes money that you have sitting in your wallet. And sometimes, of course, that may be sitting there for a long time, other times it may just be sitting there for a day and goes back in and out, in and out. And this gives it a usually lower figure than Zonky. And the reason for that is that money that you have sitting in your wallet, even if just for a day, is dead money, not earning anything. Therefore, I believe this figure is actually more relevant. It's equivalent to saying, if I had put this money into a bank account on the same day I've made deposits and withdrawals, what rate of return would that bank account have to give me to match the return that Zonky is giving me? That is, it's a rate of return for your whole commitment. And XIRR, which is the calculation that is used for this, here we go, there's a little bit of detail about it, is a very, very popular calculation used in peer-to-peer lending platforms such as Zonky. I've really grown to like it. So that's it, just these two small figures here, which I hope are very useful to you. And in the next video, I'll talk about additional charts.